Whether you already own an REO peptide brand running emails, or you're just about to launch your brand, you're trying to figure out how to set up your emails, this video should address everything from what tools to use to how you should be sending it, what kind of emails to send, the best practices to follow, and how to maximize your revenue. Or if you want a done for you service, you can just skip this video and book a call with me right now, and I can handle all that for you. All right, so let's get started. Well, the first thing that I want to make clear is Klaviyo, which is the typical go-to email sending provider for e-commerce brands, will probably not work for you. The reason for this is because Klaviyo is a cleanly operated business, so they don't want any research use only products on there, especially if your emails have some sort of human insinuation. So the moment you hit a certain amount of email list or revenue or amount of campaign sent, it's basically a matter of time, a matter of when you're going to get shut down, because the moment they do a human review on your account and they see something like BPC or Reta on there and it's clearly for human consumption, they will take action against you and shut you down. The moment you get shut down, you're probably going to panic because you're wondering what's going to happen to your email list. Thankfully, it's not going to be an issue because you can export it directly from the Klaviyo site, or they'll email you all your emails and you will 100% be able to migrate within the same day. So if you are already on Klaviyo, you don't have to migrate or do anything like that. In fact, I would just keep doing what you're doing, because if you've been able to be on the platform for that long, let's see how long you can push it. In fact, my agency does still have clients that have come to us with pre-existing Klaviyo accounts that we still manage. And I'll show you that there are actually REO brands on Klaviyo scaling. It's just really like a luck of the draw, as crazy as that sounds. So this client, he's done 182,000, and you can see over here 63% of his revenue has come from emails. And the reason why this is so powerful is because when you run an REO brand, you get your customers either through affiliates or ads or emails. And with affiliates, you're dishing out anywhere from 10, 20, sometimes even 30, 40% of that commission goes to the affiliate. If you're doing ads, it's still going to have a cost per acquisition. So it'll be like $50, $100, $200, whatever it is to acquire a customer. But with emails, you can technically email that customer forever for practically free. It's just a couple cents what you spend on your email tool. Here's another client. This is my only client that I have doing 7 figures on Klaviyo. The chances are it's because this client is pretty well versed with e-commerce and has had previous Klaviyo accounts, so he has a better relationship with Klaviyo. So this is like an anomaly situation, but even them, they have over 50% of their revenue being attributed to emails, which is a very, very strong plus point, I would say. So if you get banned on Klaviyo, like I said, it's going to happen. And chances are, if you're not even on Klaviyo, I would just skip it altogether and go straight to ActiveCampaign. ActiveCampaign is known in the e-commerce space just outside of peptides as well. And I would say they're a strong competitor to Klaviyo, probably the second best option, I would say. They have a direct WooCommerce integration, so you can set it up with your Pep store very easily. And these guys, like I said, they're very much more lenient compared to Klaviyo. They're still not the most lenient option, and I'll show you another option that can be better. But the reason why I like ActiveCampaign and the reason why I recommend this still at the top is because they have really good automations. They have things that you would usually need like Zapier to pull off with Klaviyo, you can get done internally with ActiveCampaign. This is one of my clients that had a 2.5 million period. I think this was a 3-month period, and $778,000 of his revenue came from automated emails. Automated emails meaning like Klaviyo flows or flows in general. So abandoned carts, sunset flows, abandoned checkouts, unengaged re-engagements, where we just get them back into our email list. But this is a very good reason why ActiveCampaign will outperform Klaviyo. You'll naturally have an extra 5% of flow revenue that you can get with ActiveCampaign. But ActiveCampaign is not bulletproof, okay? I've still seen brands get shut down with ActiveCampaign, and if that happens, this is the platform that I've been seeing, except REO brands that are fresh. They really don't care what you do. they honestly have a blind eye to all of this right now. And I don't know how long it's going to be like this, which is why I say that they are going to tighten up at some point. But for now, this is kind of like the holy grail. If you get banned on Klaviyo and ActiveCampaign, this is the one option that I can almost guarantee you'll be okay with. Same thing here. They have WooCommerce plugin, so you can just install the plugin and you can just get running without any tracking, coding, or anything like that needed. However, I do want to say that Omnisend is not as strong of a platform as Klaviyo or ActiveCampaign, so you are limited on what you can do, but nevertheless, it achieves our goal of being able to email our customers for the RUO brand. So this is the most bare bone functional version. There is one other platform. I don't have it on my presentation because I don't recommend it, because it's one, too expensive, and then two, I've never had a client be banned on Omnisend yet. So if it comes to it, then I will go there, and that company is called Stop Churn. But once again, I haven't had to go there, and chances are you watching this video wouldn't have to go there. And if it comes to it, I'll make a video on it. I do have to recommend that you avoid all the mainstream email tools. So this includes like MailChimp, Drip, any of these. Anything that you see, especially if it integrates with Shopify, it's something that you want to stay away from. Chances are you'll go down faster than you did with Klaviyo. So I want to talk about what kind of emails you can expect to send. So these are some of the emails that my agency has done. So I don't recommend running like the newsletter style, meaning like just the text emails. The only time I've seen text emails work well is if you want to do like a message from the CEO. So every once in a while, like once a month, we'll send an only HTML email with like the founder and like, hey, it's blah 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 from this company. I just wanted to reach out to you and see how your experience is with. Like we'll do things like that, but typically we go with full design emails. So I always recommend flows. Like I can't stress this enough. So this is an example of an abandoned cart flow, and the white space that you see in the middle, that's exactly where the products that they had in cart will be like filled in on. This is an example of like some campaign emails. So like for Memorial Day, you want to make it, you want to take advantage and use every holiday possible to give a sale out. You could also do like more educational stuff. Here it's talking about BPC, the top compounds for the week, things like that. Here are more campaign examples that we've done. Once again, like our agency like does every possible design out there, and it performs the best because most REO brand owners don't have such polished email campaigns. So the moment you have it, you kind of set yourself apart instantly. Here's a welcome flow that we did for a more playful brand. It's a Canadian brand, and they have like a polar theme. So we obviously like encompass that into the whole campaign. It's a long email, so I kind of cut it down for you guys. So these are just some examples. I can obviously, if you book a call with me, show you like hundreds of different emails that we've sent, and we can like custom tailor something and a brand tone and everything that matches with your company. Now, on top of figuring out the design aspect, the platform to send it from, figuring out the copy, which at this point is very easy with like AI, but there are some technical parts that I still have to cover in this video, and that is landing in primary. So if you use any email tool like Gmail, you probably realize that there's like three tabs. There's a primary tab, a promotions tab, and a social tab, and Gmail will kind of auto filter these out for you. And typically 95% of peptide brands will land on promotions. Not just peptide brands, but any business will really land on promotions. However, Money Social, my agency, has been focusing on high risk email sending for the last 3 years, and we've actually built a tool in-house that we use for all of our email clients that guarantee that 95% of their emails or more will land in the primary inbox, which is a huge claim. And like we actually offer like a money back guarantee. We show you a demo live on call with your email account to show that it works. And typically our customers will go from having like 30-40% open rates to having like 50-60-70% open rates. And the sheer reason for that is because now that your emails are landing on primary instead of promotions, naturally more people are going to see it, more people are going to click it, more people are going to engage with it, and you're going to end up getting more clicks into your actual website, which is the end goal of doing all of this. Now, if you want to set all of this up without my agency, you can practically get most of it done except like the primary landing part, which is still a good start, especially if you're a new brand still. So I would make sure that you get the domain checked, make sure like you have all your DNS records in order, all like the SPF, DKIM, everything's passing. And then make sure that you only send from one email. So if you're using, let's say, support or admin at peptidebrand.com, make sure that you stick to that consistently, because that's how you build some reputation with that sending address. And then also, I want to make sure that you guys are not getting email lists from elsewhere or purchasing email lists from other people and trying to send that through your Klaviyo or email sending provider, because that is actually a full violation of like the email GDPR rules. So you're going to get your account flagged. It's going to get shut down. Those emails will probably not even end up delivering into anyone's inbox. So I highly, highly recommend doing that. And even with emails that you have collected on your own site with full consent, you still want to make sure every 90 days you get all the inactive emails out of that list. There's no point in one, paying for that email to be on your account, and then two, there's no point in reducing your open rates by sending to someone that's not interested. So constantly segment, and you can also take your email list and put it through something like a bounce checker to make sure that any like unused emails or dead emails are cleared off, because the more unused emails that you email from your account, the lower your health will get on the account. So once again, if you don't want to deal with all this like technical jargon, you can have my team handle it for you. But the goal of these videos is to try to make it as easy for you guys to do it watching at home as well. So that's basically the full breakdown. I've covered the 3 platforms that REO brands work with: Klaviyo, Stickaway, ActiveCampaign, highly recommend. If banned and when banned, use Omnisend. I've never had a brand get denied with those guys. I would stick to doing at least 2 to 3 flows and at least 1 to 2 campaigns a week for your emails. And then also make sure you're maintaining good hygiene, getting your domain authority set up, all of that as well. Now, if you like what you see, let me know in the comments what you want me to cover more. If you want me to go more detailed on like a certain part, if you want me to actually show you like a Klaviyo account or an ActiveCampaign account on like the back end, let me know and I can cover that as well. If you want, you can go into the description below and you can book a call with my agency where we help you either launch your Peptide brand in under 30 days, or we can take over your email management or paid ads for Meta and Google. Like I said, with our email management, we're really confident that we're the best in the space, so much so that we have a guarantee of emails landing on primary. So it's a really compelling offer and the call is free. So if you want to learn more, you can book that call with me. And otherwise, subscribe, like, and let me know what you want to see next. Peace.